want to be involved in transforming people's lives, communities' lives, families' lives. So for me, it's important to understand that, if 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 people wants to do it, they can do it. And there's something I would love to talk about in trusting the process.
Yes.
I don't know if you heard that phrase already, trusting the process. What does trusting the process mean for me? Trusting the process, and I wrote it down actually, and I read it. It says it's a popular phrase that means having faith and confidence in the steps you're taking to achieve a goal, even when things aren't going as planned, when progress is slow. So you believe that this is important. You trust in that process, and everybody's trusting process is not the same. Your goals aren't the same. My goal that I have to see people fulfilled, transformed, is my goal. Your goal is different to that, and you must be able to trust that process. I can impart what I believe in my process, yes, but you can only take snippets from me because it's formed for me, and yours is formed for you.